Welcome to Goosey Media, the YouTube channel for Grey Goose Design. In today's itemized feature, we're looking at the milliammeter. And today, specifically, the milliammeter kit. To fit your milliammeter, you basically cut the return wire from the tube and put the meter in. It is very simple. You do need a milliammeter, and you will need some hand tools, very simple hand tools, nothing spectacular. And see if we can break into the packet without ruining things, which we don't seem to be able to do because we're all ears and noses this morning. Come on. There we go. And in the kit, you get the milliammeter. You get two cut-out template guides. The milliammeter itself, this is our own branded version. It comes with nylock nuts. The kit version is pre-wired. It also is these are insulated just as a protection, and they come with a label to give you a clue as to which way round to put it. It is all very straightforward. Again, we've produced a video on how to do this. It does come with a kit of parts. You get tie wraps, sticky pads to put tie wraps through to hold the cables neat, and a couple of quick connects to enable you to put your milliammeter in with a minimum of fuss. Thank you for watching today's itemized.